Some Lord, you never did have to go on, so you know. Pick argument for me, I'm not do you nothing. Me just cool, calm, and collective. And you know, Amari. You fuck with me. Me patient, I'm kind, I'm nice until me can't take it no more. Why you guys are like this? When you meet somebody else, I no want to go back to somebody where was with before. Just pick an argument and then walk out and have every excuse. Because you say, me, miserable and tormented, and you left. And then spend the whole night. Remember, you go to the club without me. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. You beg me to go to the club with you in the Bahamas. I said the goodies them are wait for me. But me ain't gonna step out like that. Why didn't you allow me to go back to America all this time and come back with some nice clothes? You think somebody step out at club look like crap? I never go to the club. And I just betray me with my own goodie. Because he was approachable. Goodies them know him, so want me with Amari there. And then later talking and everything and exchange numbers, and then life is not the same no more. So I'm come from the club and want to touch me. And I wasn't into it. Coming to know what go down a morning and come in. I guess that made him feel unwanted and feel like someone don't want him. So I'm going to call him baby mother early in the morning. And she come like something where just sit down and wait. You know that type of woman we moved away there? You just sit down and wait because you know say him and the new girl must mash up. Then again, he could lie and say, me, I just a manager. Me look like me can't manage myself and manage somebody else. Jesus, Father. But I hate when you have a baby mother and you have your girlfriend and you have a baby mother that is always there for you when you run back. You know them type of girls when have no self-esteem. Can't deal with it. Big up to all the baby mothers though. Can't deal with it. And I know the first time Seven Lord violate, you know what he do me? At the time I sure it's a beautiful relationship. And you know what he do me? Early one morning. When you see man get up early and call, or somebody them a call in the UK. I bet you know and I listen to him, you know. UK. Next thing I know, I am end up back in my life. End up in my real life. Him go wake it up. The ex later confessed to me. What's up, Jen? You good, girl? Him ex confide to me, say, Seven Lord, saying can't stand me. And him want me DEA. Who does that? For simple things. You gon' call up your ex and me and you, and you know it's not somebody may argue with because it's somebody who may truly respect. But him saying want ticket. Me say, you think so ticket go? You can't just flag out here, flag out there, and I like you fly to me in America where you come straight to my yard. You can't just want flag out here and there and plans no making. Say no care. He no care about nothing, he just want a ticket and then he will survive. Because me have to pay my bills in America. And I think that vexed him too. When him see me all a transfer almost $4,000 to my landlord and I pay off light bill and everything while me down there with him. You know, me know it upset him, but eventually me and him would have our separate life. But in the meantime, I have to take care of home. My grandchildren live there, and that's where I live. But me know I said that turned him off. Why I just life, yeah, man. One thing I can tell you, for the past maybe 15 years, the closest I come to marrying. When you're looking at my phone, you say husband, my husband. When the phone ring, you say my husband. And when the phone ring in a theme phone, yes, you can go look my matey. When the theme phone, say wifey. Yeah. And if him did really still there with the baby mother, he would have never bring me to introduce to her. I don't could tell her anything. But I want to stand up there and act professional. Mother there and hold him arm or something that she know for real. But him really never did that with her at the time. But she's always there. Just in case him want to born Amari. Who needs that? And then his ex, always there. The type of ex that give him advice. 7, Lord, I don't want us to get back together, but I'm warning you about Amari because I've been watching her for years. And every man who sleeps with Amari dies. You know what this is? It starts with bling. And she said, 7, Lord, you're going to get to wake up. I don't know which Amari them I talk about. Yes, I agree. Before me, because I have no personality, but before this personality, there was another Amari. Another Amari where Bob did tie. We used to act crazy. I know something was wrong with me. My beauty was gone. Everything was gone. I know something was wrong. Sticking on my head. I come online and I cuss and I go on because I try to find back myself until I finally get help, you know? I don't remember how I end up getting help, but Jesus Christ healed me. Praises be to God Almighty. But he come like me and I'm mad. Can't bring my God, there will be a woman, you know. At the time, him too did want to rob me. You understand? I want to say, to be honest with you, I want to say, my chopper was a straight up robber. I want to call him a robber. Because I say, we was just living. It's just like my papers him hold on to. But Bob now was a fucking thief. Thank you. Thief. I'm if I tell you. But I make no excuse for nobody. But I would not stay here and call him a robber in regards to our relationship. I would not do that. You know, because there was times when we in bed together and him hug me and him say, baby, my friend them want me to go on the road with them, but me not gonna when me happy right here. So one day him said to me, say, babe, one time me run down money, but babe, right now me not even, oh God, me not even care if me broke. As long as me have you, as long as it's me and you together, me don't even care if me broke. You know? I was far from that. It's the first boyfriend where, and I'm my boyfriend, my husband, where me and him 24/7. Me and my baby. 24/7. We sing together, write together, act together, travel together. Everything we do together. We plan our life together, oh God. I don't know if there will ever be anybody to replace him. I know. But his ex, she went on a rampage, darling. She made it her duty to write me. She started on TikTok. And then, I'm trying to be that loyal girlfriend. I block her. Then she come on Instagram. I block her. Then she come on Facebook. Long letters. Telling me all kind of things. Not that she wasn't wrong, but she was on a mission. She was on a mission for Amari to leave him. I think what really hurt me was one day when she said that what make her angry is the fact that he's able to travel. And you know that I made that possible. And I said, damn. And then between me and you, she know them did follow because she sleep with them friend. Hush, Jen, I just have to talk the thing like it is. Would you believe that? She got in touch with me and she said, you need to get even with Seven Lord. And I said, really? And she said, guess what? I want you to do a song with this guy, a collaboration. She said, as a matter of fact, so I have some of them letter there on the phone, but I don't know how for sure, A collaboration. She said to me that is the guy where she did sleep with. Then several of them must be, remember I'm friend, and she was him girlfriend, and them did fall out, and she sleep with him. And the guy still in her life. And she want me to go do a song with him for Born Seven Lord. Let me tell you, she's slick as fuck. Slick. The amount of accounts where she have. Let me tell you, so she stalk him. Slick bitch. Double-edged sword. When she ready, one at the time, I made up on TikTok, and every video with me and Seven Lord demonetize. And say, the videos when me do with him, them go up in the millions. Seven Lord should not have walk on big ticket because him would have earned the money. And me I say, how come every video me do with you don't earn no money, them demonetize? That the time Seven Lord tell me, say, Jen tell himself to report all the videos. Why do you keep this close relationship with Jen? Him said Jen tell him, but him not tell me if him report them, but it seems as if he did one little argument. My man have a terrible temper, help him, Lord. One little argument, And we don't argue. I wouldn't say it's argument. We don't argue. You just have to disagree with him about something. You may not be ready for fly out when him ready, or you have to put plans into motion. And he got chat me with the woman, And the woman tell him, oh, Seven Lord, you're making a lot of money. Amari's robbing it. What you need to do is to report all those videos. And there they went. They report everything. My man weak. He needs to admit it. My man is fucking weak. Because if somebody can just come in at your inbox and tell you, say, Amari had this and Amari had that, and you're quick to believe. And say, go like him a bad man? Yes, King mix up. Go on like say I'm a bad man. The way how him act, it really turned me on originally. Because I said, okay, them a fuck with me. Now me have a man to protect me. You know what go on the internet. Now when them see me with my man, them will know to back the fuck off. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, me never know say this a man would have sent down more people for hurt me. In lie as fuck. Lie and create trouble with me and the people them on the internet. The man will protect me, you know. The man will say to certain people, me seen the on Bling show, and Bling him a whole essay about Amari. 7 Lord, be careful of her. Run. Amari is crosses. And me, you see when me cuss Bling and Bling cuss me, we are so creative that we don't say, that's just entertainment. We can't angle it. Seriously. And 7 Lord, stay right there now. Imagine how me feel, Goody. Imagine how me feel when me hear my man say, all our Uzi shivel up like, him dead you him dead and he hold it till he can't hold it no more. Then he start talk about me underneath. And me I say, but no you say you not sleep with me. So how you gonna talk about me underneath? You know what I mean? He go on Queenie show, Queenie lie on me and say me not look do it. Could do it too. You understand? Don't get me wrong. That's my son. Will forever be my son. Can never disrespect me. Never ever. All him do was show me honor and manners. You understand? And him don't know say. Do he tell me, you know? Do he say to me say, you see all you know Amari, me know say, me can't come between you and my wife. Cause me know how you love my wife. Because we have a history together. And me and Queenie lockdown sting. Queenie are my first love out of everybody on the internet. Miss Bling have a special spot in my heart, but Queenie are my first love. When I say I love Queenie with all of my heart. That's when Queenie sick, me ball, me fret. Me just love her. Because in a real person, Queenie is a beautiful soul. You understand? Love her. And the other person when I cause everybody knows Amari cause everybody. Cause I don't want nobody get too close to me. Me is the type of person where apart from dealing with everybody out in the world, I hug you, I kiss you and everything, and I come on my yard. Me is the type of person I don't want nobody up on my phone. And hi Amari, blah, blah, blah. No, I come in at my haven and I just me and my God. Not even my cat. Because my cat mostly dead. Because from a little, my granny teach me about gossip. And I read it in the Bible. I realize that gossip sweet, you know. But you see when it turns sour, when you keep woman friend, and when they turn against you, and now demand them, so because of that, honestly, I have no friends. You get me? And it's just my fans online I have. And let me tell you something. 7 Lord hurt me and go upon the live with Queenie and tell her how I want to turn her over and what I want to do with her. And how I'm going to plow it in her. Come on, man. No respect. It's me, Amari. How could you do that to me? And them sit down there and them totally disrespect my relationship, what I have built. You hurt me. That's why I'm not looking back. can't believe you would have do that to me. You never have to go so far when you know say are you wrong. Are you take away my documents to my Bahamas and make me out to be a liar. Me did expect say girlfriend and boyfriend. Me find my way to America. Stop no. You could have said, all right. And one day you're going to regret what you do to me. You know. You could have said, all right, baby. Me have the papers when me see you, me give you back. You just lie. And in front of these women, you tell them, say, Amari a liar. You never sleep with me. You don't know if me a man or a woman. And me a run down your cocky. But you don't want me. Come on, man. Me is human being. I could never go back to you. And you make another woman depend the life and talk bad about me. You could have stopped her even once. And say, all right, Queenie, make you stay there so. You could have even stopped her bearing in mind, say, if you say me and you're not there, all right, this is the girl where look about your documents and make you fly out. Me remember the day when I take the plane for the first time. And because I thought my luggage was covered, but them cancel it. And they needed, them said them can't wait no more for me to get through. Cause them, me say, you know what, will you all take cash? And them say, no, them can't take cash. Me say, can I pay online? Them say, online lockdown. And oh we go. But $5, the card wouldn't go through, the fucked up card where them I use. And them said them have to leave me. And I look upon him and I say, babes, go. And him look upon me. Remember I know me and my man are traveling and I tell him to leave me. Leave. And Destiny look upon me and say, cause Destiny get through to, him get through to, and me not get through. And I say, baby, go. And that is what I will always remember when I set you free. I set you free because I did not want to mess up your opportunity of flying for the first time. And I'm so proud of you when you build the strength in you and listen to me and board the plane. Although you cry, you say, baby, the plane ride never come like nothing to me because you wasn't there with me. You call me and you cry. And you say, Venice function, I love you with my heart. I not lie. I'm there at Jamaica for 4 more days until me get a, me have to buy a ticket all over and everything, you know, for $5. For $5. Desi, me tell Desi go on too, and Desi say no, she not leaving Amari. A part of me feel like, although me tell him to go, he shouldn't have gone, but me really wanted him to go. To experience life abroad. Don't let me stop that. By the time I reach Bahamas, then again I take the blame. I said to him, during the 4 days me there at Jamaica, I said to him, baby, get to know people, but do not sell your soul. Do not share your body or sell your soul. That's what I told him. Because I know that the union would be broken. Because I'm a spiritual person. Once you sleep on me, it's like the connection. We lose the connection. Come and give me energy. And it's obvious. Everybody know 7 Lord because of me. By the time I go out, if we had left together, things that would have been different. By the time I reach Bahamas, it's like, he might lead me and follow. And I pay get a life, he might lead me, you know. And then when I tell him, say, I'm not used to this life, he must say, I not like ghetto people. And I me, my first song name, The Ghetto Child. I don't like the places where I carry me. And it's like, that's the life he knows. But how long can I live that life? My type of life is going to get my IV therapy. That cost me a good $299, $300. Going to get my oxygen therapy. That cost me a good $300. You understand? Going at the health food store, buying my health food. Ordering my protein shakes them off Amazon. That's the life I'm used to. It's hard for me to live another life. Plus, I have to live that life because I had weight loss surgery. So, my lifestyle have to change. The life where I live, I'm not going out sun and make sun catch me. I stay under AC. All of a sudden, my life just change up like that. What is so hard about that to understand? What is so hard? That don't mean something show off. It's just the life where I live. And it's not a matter of rich. It's just like years I live like this. Alright, so let's forgive him for that. Because I don't really know me live. Especially with people so fucking live on the internet. We love to tell people, oh, me broke. And what? Me broke and hungry. I don't live nowhere. You know, forgive you for that, but have me upon the road. Don't want help with the suitcase, them. Remember, I know, I never planned for originally go to Bahamas, you know. Him say him don't want to stay in Jamaica. So I say, okay. Him say, baby, I don't know how I go live if you left me. I say, okay. Come with me to Bahamas. I could go to Bahamas. Because I want to know my father. You get me? When I reach Bahamas, I want to go to America for a couple of days. Him don't want me to live. I tell him, man. And then you're going to come online and tell people, oh, may I run you down? And you not tell people, say, are you? Say you can't live without me. I can't live without you. That's what I'm saying. Baby, I can't live without you. You must do that. But I think what hurt me the most is watching him. I just don't like it. What hurt me the most is him talking about my body. And he lies. It really hurt me. Why everybody a lie and I tell people how my body don't look good. I can show you a video where me sit on back ways and 7 Lord just have a camera upon me. A TikTok me depend. Even since evening me do a video. And if you ever, when me sit, you just see my shape. Every man talk about my fingers, oh them pretty. Every man talk about my toes them, they love my toes them. My foot bottom must be dirty because I walk with my dirty foot in the house. You understand? But we just clean the rug anyway. It's dirty. Not so dirty, don't it? Not so dirty. Not dirty. So, may I tell you, the man them love my fingers. I'm going to show you my toe good. I have pretty toes. They love my fingers and my toes. Me have nice lips, straight nose. Has a nice skin. Me not have no filter, me swear. You understand? Nothing wrong with me. And Seven Lord, one day, me go up on the road. And when me come back, he said, me not going on the road in a short skirt no more. And them things that make your man feel like your man, yeah? But me I say, oh, am I going to control Amari? But me kind of feel good. My man jealous. So I say, why I must wear this skirt? Like me not done know. Him say, because your leg them too pretty, you don't want nobody to see it. And then him bring them, oh, my skin hanger. So you tell me say, I filter my skin like this. Filter. So why in Jesus' name would my face be thick like this and my whole body not thick like that? That don't make sense. He keeps talking about a old Amari that no longer exists. Because, when me did just do the weight loss surgery, it's a process. So, me I leave from 275 pounds, and now I am approximately 160 now. And even that time, the amount of skin where me say normally hang off with people, it don't hang off with me because my mother have pretty skin, Rest in peace, mommy. Nice skin. You understand? Look, me have 13 children. And me don't have stretch mark on them things there. But I don't know what the fuck people are seeing. The most mother say is, through me lose all the weight on my belly did a little shrivel up. And that was when I was on the weight loss injection. And I come off of the weight loss injection and firm up back. So you tell me, say my hands so firm. My skin. And you still a walk tell people, how the fuck all of you stuff look good and you tell people, oh, my Uzi civil up. That is wrong. You must do those things because you know some me not use it up. You was very, very impressed when you just meet me. You, out of all people, know about the tightness. Because Amari no run boat. Before me meet you, me not sleep with nobody. I went Colin dead. Colin dead about 3 years ago, Goody. Colin dead. When Colin dead, me engaged to Africa. I was engaged to a Muslim. I'm not going to say was, because in my mind, in Swiss, me and him still engaged. But me have him up. And, he's Muslim, so we cannot have intercourse. So, we do love making, but no intercourse. So, nothing never use up there. So, when Colin did, I said, I'm going to take 2 years break. I'm not going to there with nobody. And me and he never there when him did. But I say, out of respect for him, I'm going to take 2 years break. Even when me there with Colin, I there with Colin for 9 years. And I go down to Jamaica go see him. Amari only go to Jamaica 1 or 2 or 3 times a year. And the greatest thing about the long distance relationship, to tell you the truth, I not even did love Colin like how I love Seven Lord. Seven Lord are my greatest love out of all of them. Because Colin like me say I go down out of the 9 time in life, me see him, the 9 years, me see him 3 nights, 27 times. Seven Lord, me see him morning, noon, and night. He grew up on me. Him are my true love, Seven Lord. When I want to burn him, I might say something about Bob, but come on now. Some lad of me true love. Me. And what is wrong if your girlfriend have doubt about a child? Me a woman, me know what other women do. Go take a test. You get me? Nothing wrong with that. I just speak my truth. Cause me feel things. It just... But anyway, it can't get no worse. Now wherever he's staying, you hear the young baby cry. I'm say, Jesus, Father. No, me couldn't hold him. Me couldn't have him up for that. Because if the baby just born, that means that the girl get pregnant before he meet me. Oh, me I go eat him for that. Just tell me the truth. Oh, me I go eat you for that. You take me up with 13 penny, and you can't tell me the truth and things that me I go accept. How the fuck me for eat you and me have 13? All me I go say is, make sure you take care of your child. Because I'm not play when it come to that. Maria the first somebody for go and hold baby. Kiss them and bless them and love them eternally. You never did have to hide that from me. Never did have to do that. When me 14 years old, I there with my husband from me 12 years old. And when me 14 years old, pregnant with him first child. When me tell him say me pregnant, about 6 more I we did pregnant. And ask them about Amari. You know what me do? Me mind the whole of them. Me cuss him off too for them. All Ricky, when Ricky born, me go up there and once me say the child of him, I was pregnant too. I was pregnant when Ricky born, him second son. And I go home and bring all of my baby clothes because China man me there with you know. And me I'm true love. So he take care of me. So me done buy up baby clothes. And me have 3 more months for have baby and me take all of my clothes. Only the baby bath me couldn't carry. And bring go give Natty. When I asked Natty where the baby name, she said Ricardo. And I said, oh my God, you know, say that my plan for name my baby. And you know what I said to myself, say, Amari, that child too is your child. That's why you felt that name. So in my heart, my son Rocky is not my firstborn. In my heart, Ricardo, we belong to Natty, is my firstborn. When I say I love Ricky, love him. I filed for Ricky to come to America. And Janet say him not go nowhere. Well, I see him years after. And Ricky say him years so when he was a baby, oh, me did want to bring him come to America. You understand? I love you, Ricky. And Natty. No Ricky, that a Sheldon, the firstborn. Ricky now, I tell you this story about me and Ricky. Here what happened now. After me give her the baby clothes them, when I was bringing the baby clothes them for Natty, I see my husband, never did married yet. And I show him, say, listen, I go see the baby. He say, I don't feel, I say, I don't hear nothing. Me say for myself. I say, I don't see the baby and it's yours. And shut him the fuck up. And I go and bring the things for Natty and I tell him, give me some money for give her too. And I go up the hill and I give them the clothes and things them. And you know, say, during the last part of my pregnancy, I take sick bad every day. And you know who take care of me? Natty. Natty take care of me. Every day you see Natty come with Ricky and wash my clothes them and wash my drawers and everything. No disrespect. The girl when my husband denounce and say a lie, she a tell him no breed her, I never sleep with her, just like Seven Lord. And that the girl take care of me. I'm come a foreign. And when I go to Jamaica, Natty tell me, say, all the while Ricky look up in the sky and say, mother come from foreign. Who is a mother? Amari. I think you stop this, so. One day, story time, me come from Ocherias, cause, you know, me did the Chinaman, so after me drop out of St. Mary High School, him put me back in a school, beauty school. And as me about for going at the minivan, a voice said to me, say, yeah, I got hear something, but don't act shock. So me prepare for the shock. And I try to get in the van, and it's like too much people, and then somebody stretch them hand and say, come, and pull me in the van, a girl. I sat down beside her, and she said, hi, Venice. And I say, hello. Because from me little, me I speak English. Upper class, middle class bitch. I say, hello. And I must tell you too, from me little, me I wear boots and long coat in a Jamaica. And she said to me that, oh, is Rocky? I say, you know Rocky? She said, yes, Terry's son. And I said, wow, amazing. Then I remember the person say, y'all gonna get a shock. So I say, so, who are you, may I ask? And she said, I am Terry's baby mother. I said, really? You know, I said, Terry, I'm a man. Terry baby mother, baby we never hear about. And I said to her, I say, I would like to see the child. And she said, all right. When the van reach my yard and stop, you can just come out with me. Ladies and gentlemen, remember me a young girl, you know, but that's the heart of me have. I come out of the van, I'm going at this one-room house. And I say the prettiest child that God have ever made, Jesus. When I say she pretty out of this world. I don't know home if you just get up and hate people picking for no reason. My truth is just my truth. A little girl look just like my husband. That the time I don't have no daughter yet. Just like my husband have tall hair. Because I'm a Chinese. I stand up there amazed. Because the mother not all that beautiful, you know, but the pinny come out pretty. I just start the things like it is. So I said to her, how comes nobody know about this child? I think she said she used to deal with Terry, and then she go sleep with Brooksy, the brother. And she tell Terry say I feel baby, but Terry say I for Brooksy, so them not own the child. None of them no want own the child. So I said to her, all right, Saturday morning you come by the China them, my mother-in-law and father-in-law, come by them with the baby, the little girl. So she come, because she said she not get no money, no help for the child. So she come, I think I give her $40, which was nothing at them time there. So she come, and, you know, I say, Auntie, she not really, you know, Terry not really sure say her fame, but you can see her Chinese, and his feed a Terry or Brooksy. But he look just like Terry. And I say, Terry, may I tell you the truth, the child look just like you. Who go tell me if he say so? He say, I know for him pitney and he never go there, all kind of ras. And me take a cup of water and wet up him blood clot right in front of him mother. And say, no need for stop this owning a pitney them. Me say, me steady, you can see say, a year grand pitney. Just help the little girl take care of the baby. I'm end up cussing off the whole of them. Especially when she go look right in at the little pretty girl face and say that the little girl not related to them. How can you be so evil? It's obvious. And this is how Amari fight for children, whether I'm dead the man or not. You think say it up there so? One day, me dey home and me taking this girl named Evelyn because she did poor. And she have to go to school and she always no press her uniform and thing. So me bring her in at the good up life and make sure she press her uniform and go to school, make sure she drink tea. You understand? And make sure so she wear baggy without drawers and everything. Because me so good to her, one day I asked the driver where originally brought me to the Airbnb and she said, go this way, that way, that way. And when me reach my destination, I couldn't even get in at the Airbnb because you have the remote for the Airbnb 2 gate. I can't get in. Now somebody's daughter, I know. What you have done to me is wrong. So wrong. And then you run on the internet and cry, Wolf, Wolf, Amari, leave me stranded. And people don't know, say, you leave me stranded on these streets. No money. Because you was the one who control all the money. No help with my suitcases. No traveling documents. No charger. Take with me charger. Romance scam. The way I see it. It was a romance scam. Prove some wrong. You get all that you could get out of me. And then you do everything for me hate you. Because you want to get rid of me. What I didn't tell my fans was the day when me and you break up, you said to me, where I walk, you said to me, baby, you love me? I said, oh, you mean? You're my life. That was the biggest mistake. After me said that, you just start doing me all kind of shit on the road. It's like, basically, somebody coming out, you see him, baby mother. Basically, you have to get rid of me. Because baby born, right? You think, say, I don't know, somebody have a baby, the same girl. Baby number 3. At that same time, I have put out this song. The people and the fans on Instagram know it. They just want to see me hating you and you hating me.